Hey!
Hey!
This is so beautiful. We had to stop and get out. Take a video. It's boring over there. It's a little river. Where are we? Do you know where this is?
No.
Well, we're right outside of Las Vegas. Maybe, 50 miles or so? Just wanted to take a video. Picture wasn't really gonna... I don't even know if this is really going to show up very well. It's kind of dark. Okay. Good night.